Roam the ends of the city with the Nakto Super Cruiser fat bike, the perfect bike for adults and anyone who wants a sporty ride that can go anywhere. The Nakto Cruiser electric bike is powered by a 36-volt, OHM 500-watt brushless DC hub motor sitting inside the rear wheel for direct torque on the road. It can go over potholes and ride on rough terrain with ease. It can reach 21 miles per hour on throttle alone and has a top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist. This model has a 36-volt lithium-ion battery pack with 12 amp-hour capacity that has a range of 30 to 35 miles, so it has more than enough power to last throughout the day. The Nakto Super Cruiser electric fat bike features a twist throttle and pedal assist function with 6 levels of assist. The pedal assist is hooked to a speed sensor that provides accurate torque for more effortless pedaling. The bike also comes with a 6-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. The Nakto Super Cruiser electric bike is a stylish bike that will attract looks, featuring a streamlined cruiser-style frame with 160mm Tektro disc brakes and 26-inch spoke rims with 4-inch CSD BFT fat tires. The equipped fat tires are anti-skid and provide excellent cushioning on rough paths and better grip on loose surfaces. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.